Hi everyone, I'm Arianne and I'm going to show you how to do the overhead weave, which looks like this. So there's one trick that is really good to know to get this trick executed, and that's going to be the reverse single beat figure 8, which is this one. Definitely look through the other tutorials to find this, because this is going to be the foundation for doing this weave. So just to break this down and to count out the beats to show you which side of the body it's going on, we're going to say that when the star is behind my arm right here, that's 1, and when it's in front, that's 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And so you're going to slowly move your arm up as you're doing the reverse single beat figure 8. And once you get to a higher point and the star is behind your head, you're going to let that drop behind your head and pull the front over your head. So it's basically a reverse single beat figure 8. It's just you're weaving it in front and behind of your head. I'm going to show you from the side just so you can see that as I do this, you can notice that my elbow is staying fairly centered, but my arm and my forearm are moving forward and backward as I'm weaving. So this is what it looks like from the side. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And the more you practice this, it looks just pretty cool when you do it on the vertical plane. So I recommend practicing in front of a mirror, but definitely get the feel of that. It's gonna feel weird when you're doing tricks around your head like this, and don't be discouraged if you whack yourself a few times, because that's definitely happened to me in the learning process. So this is the over the head weave. I'm Arianne. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe to see more, and we will see you guys next week.